Oushak rugs are admired for their texture, muted hues, and spacious, balanced designs. Each one is hand-knotted in Pakistan, where skilled artisans continue the centuries-old Oushak weaving tradition with remarkable care and craftsmanship. Their patterns are soft and fluid, medallions, stars, and floral motifs woven with relaxed, timeless charm that reflects the essence of the original Turkish Oushak style. The colors are gentle and harmonious. Terracotta, gold, ivory blend beautifully with soft blues, greens, and grays, tones that bring quiet warmth and understated elegance to any room. Their neutral palette and soft designs make them easy to pair with both traditional and contemporary interiors, effortlessly enhancing any decor. Dyed with natural pigments from roots, stems, and flowers, every Oushak carries an organic radiance that only time can enhance. Explore the Oushak collection at catalinarug.com.